Hello there! In this video, we will be discussing what are the keyboard shortcuts you can use when practicing with flashcards. Keyboard shortcuts helps you move faster during your practice sessions. These are the shortcuts that's currently available that you can use. Press the left arrow key to show the previous card, and the right arrow key to move to the next card. Press the S key to shuffle the flashcards and the L key to listen to what is written on the flashcard. Press the space bar to flip the card and reveal the definition of the term, the F key to go on full screen, and the escape key to exit from full screen mode. Try them now so you can practice with flashcards more efficiently. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye!